Hello everyone, my name is Javed, and today we are going to be talking about between and not between operators in SQL. Between operator is a command that is used to select values within a given range. The values can be anything. It can be strings, it can be it can be numbers or dates. Okay. In the between command, begin and end values are included. Okay, and not between operator is just opposite of between. Okay, this is used to display the products uh, that are not in the range of between. Okay, now we are going to do it practically in pgadmin 4. Let's head towards pgadmin 4 and try to do it practically. Okay, we are going to be using our payments table from this. Let's type in payments. This is our payments table, and if I have to find distinct values, let's say I have to find distinct values in the amount column. Okay, select distinct amount. Okay, and we can also sort them by using order by function in descending order by column name, amount in descending order. We'll try to see the result. Okay, let's remove it, and now let's try to run it again. So this is the result in descending order, which means that the highest value will be on the top, and then the lowest value below that, and accordingly this will follow the trend. Okay, and if you remove the DSC keyword from the query, it's going to sort the data in ascending order by default. ठीक है, पहले smallest value आएगा, and the next will be the biggest value, then biggest value, and so on. ठीक है, अब हमारा यहाँ पे पर्पस है कि between और not between को यूज़ करना. ठीक है, हम क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे, select distinct. Let's select everything from the payments table again. Okay, let's select everything from payments table, and we'll use where. It can be used to where where command, where where amount is the column name, amount is between, where amount is between 8 and 9. Okay, I am not using quotes here because the data type is numeric here. Okay, let's see what is the value that we get. So everything will be included. Every value that is falling between 8 and 9 is going to be included here. Okay, 8.99 and something like that. And if you have to find the count of the total number of value that are falling between 8 and 9, you can use count function and try to find it. It should be 439. Yeah, so this is the value that is this is the total number of value that's between 8 and 9. And now if you want to find out what is not falling between 8 and 9, then you simply have to type in not between, and the value will be displayed. So right now this is the value that is between 8 and 9, and now if you want to display a value that's not between 8 and 9, you simply have to use a keyword not between and run it. So now everything will be every value will be present in the amount column, and the value that is between 8 and 9 will be excluded. Okay, so that is the purpose of between and not between operators in SQL. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos, and press the bell icon for future notifications. Thanks for watching. Have a great time ahead. Bye bye.